Hello and welcome back to my channel, Simply Queen by Sherelle. That's me, the modern day seamstress. I am taking you along on this journey as I prepare for the upcoming Kunta Kinte Festival, which has been rescheduled for October the 28th, 2023 in Annapolis, Maryland. Enjoy! Unfortunately, early on in the process, my single needle embroidery machine was malfunctioning, and so I was forced to stop and really learn my multi-needle. Thankfully, I did master. I wouldn't say master, but I figured out my multi-needle, and this was the first thing that I stitched out without any issues. So then I purchased a heat press from Heat Press Nation, and this is me struggling trying to get the doggone thing into the studio. I eventually had to wait. This was the first project that I completed using my new heat press from Heat Press Nation, and they were t-shirts in remembrance of the Alabama Brawl. Remaining 4 capes, and then I think that is all I'm going to do on the capes. No. Yeah, because I want to move on to little clutches today. I want to finish a couple of clutches, so that's the goal. All right. I set out on a mission to find a commercial clothes rack, and I ended up finding one on Facebook Marketplace for $35, and as you can see, new. These things are over $300. Festival, and so you already know what it is. It's time to get things cranked up. Cheers to the freaking weekend. So before I started steaming and cleaning all of the garments that I will be offering at the festival, I did take some photos of my work for my website. In fact, I didn't end up putting these on the website. I actually took some other ones on just a plain background. But here are some of the jackets, sweatshirts, capes that will all be at the festival and on my website. By this point, I had gotten very, very comfortable with using my multi-needle and finally had mastered it. So I decided to go back and take apart the single needle to see if I could figure out what was ailing it, and all it needed was a deep clean. I moved on to some fabric painting, which I had been wanting to try for a very long time. These jackets were black, and then they were bleached and then painted. Shout out to my #1 ride or die cousin for coming up with the names for all of these little jackets. Little Diva, Sweetie Pie, Dream Girl, Buttercup. I mean, she just rolls out the names for me, and I just thought they were the perfect touch to all my jackets. Well, I'm closing out my festival preparation here, and though the festival was canceled, it did get rescheduled for the upcoming weekend of October the 28th. I am excited, and thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and hey, what's a video without me singing and dancing?